come up with something.
Welcome to today's lesson. In this video, we'll explore 10 essential phrasal verbs that every English learner should know. These expressions will help you sound more natural and confident in everyday conversations. Let's get started. The first one is look forward to. This means to feel excited or happy about something that is going to happen in the future. For example, you can say, I look forward to meeting you tomorrow. This shows you're excited about that meeting.
I'm looking forward to Saturday.
I'm looking forward to working with you.
I'm looking forward to the graduation party.
I'm really looking forward to working with you.
I'm looking forward to next year.
Next, we have get along with. This means to have a good relationship with someone. For instance, I get along with my coworkers really well. That means you and your coworkers have a friendly, positive relationship.
You get along with everybody.
You know, I don't get along with her, and so
You get along with your parents?
You get along with your brother?
The third one is put up with. This is used when you tolerate or accept something unpleasant, even if you don't like it. For example, I can't put up with the noise in this city. It means the noise bothers you, but you have to tolerate it.
Judge won't put up with it. He don't have to put up with it.
You won't have to put up with it much longer.
You won't have to put up with me for much longer.
I can put up with anything.
Our fourth phrasal verb is give up something. This means to stop doing something, usually a habit or an activity. For instance, I decided to give up smoking. This shows that you have stopped smoking completely.
He wants to give up his patience.
He's refusing to give up his supply, but
He's giving up all his robots.
We also have put off. This means to delay or postpone something. For example, we had to put off the meeting until next week. That means the meeting was delayed and will happen later.
I can't put this off another minute.
But we can't put it off forever.
Look, we've put this off long enough.
I've been putting off telling you something, but I feel
The next phrasal verb is run into. This means to meet someone by chance, without planning it. For example, I ran into my old teacher at the supermarket yesterday. It's like a surprise meeting.
It's amazing to run into you.
So nice to run into you here.
Hoping to run into him.
I keep expecting to run into Gordon Pinsent.
Then we have come up with. This is when you create or think of an idea, solution, or plan. She came up with a great idea for the project. It shows creativity or problem solving.
They're trying to come up with a name.
So I've come up with a new plan.
come up with something better.
What? Come up with something.
Another important one is carry on. This means to continue doing something. For example, even though it was raining, they carried on playing football. It's a way to say, keep going.
Carry on.
Carry on. Carry on.
Carry on.
Next is break down. This phrasal verb has several common uses. Number one, the first one is with machines or vehicles when they stop working. For example, my car broke down on the way to work. Number two, it can also be used with emotions when someone loses control and starts crying. She broke down in tears. Number three, another situation is when negotiations, systems, or relationships fail or collapse. For example, the peace talks broke down after 2 days, or their marriage broke down after 10 years. Number four, it is also used when we divide something into smaller parts to explain it more clearly. For instance, the teacher broke down the grammar rule into simple steps. Number five, finally, it can describe when someone's health collapses due to stress or fatigue. For example, his health broke down after years of overwork.
And when the machine breaks down, we break down.
And fix my laundry machine when it breaks down.
Breaking down in tears.
Your cells are breaking down.
So, breakdown is a very flexible phrasal verb. And if you're enjoying this lesson so far, hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. Finally, let's talk about turn down. This phrasal verb also has more than one common use. Number one, refuse or reject something like an offer, invitation, or request. For example, he turned down the job offer because it was too far from home. Number two, reduce volume, heat, or intensity. You can use it when you want to make something quieter, cooler, or less strong. For example, can you turn down the music? It's too loud. Or she turned down the heat on the stove. Number three, fold or bend something down, usually a corner or flap of an object. For example, Turn down the corner of the page to mark your place in the book.
No, I turned down that hotel job offer.
Hey, can you turn your music down?
Turning down free money. Who turns down free money?
Turning down the temperature ought to get them.
So turn down is very versatile. It can mean to refuse, to reduce, or to fold something down, depending on the context. By practicing these phrasal verbs in your daily conversations, you'll be able to express yourself more clearly and naturally in English. Thanks for watching. I hope these 10 phrasal verbs help you improve your English and sound more natural. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with other learners. See you in the next lesson.